As you might be aware, English has 4 present tenses, and you're probably familiar with the present simple, as in I study. We use this tense when talking about facts, habits, and schedules. That is my phone. Fact. He studies every day. Habit. On weekends, we play soccer. Schedule. The present simple is by far the most common verb tense in English, so you'll get plenty of practice with this over time. The present continuous. I am studying. We use the present continuous to describe actions that are happening right now, as in, you are watching this video right now. I am speaking on camera. An airplane is flying through the sky. With this tense, the action is happening as we speak. The present perfect. I have studied. We use the present perfect when talking about how an action from the past describes the subject now, as in, I have studied English for 3 years. In this sentence, have studied English is a past action, but we're using it to describe who I am now. It's my experience. And we often use the present perfect to talk about someone's experience or lack of experience. She has eaten breakfast already. He has lived there all his life. They have never been to Mexico. We're using past experience to describe who the subject is now, and that's why this is a present tense. And finally, the present perfect continuous. I have been studying. We use the present perfect continuous to talk about an action that started in the past and continues non-stop into the present. I have been studying Spanish for 8 years. In other words, I started studying 8 years ago, I never stopped, and I'm still learning now. I have been studying. We often use this tense to emphasize when an ongoing action first started. He has been sleeping for 12 hours. She has been working 2 jobs since February. They have been traveling for 5 weeks.